If you'd like to see more videos like this, I make one every day. Would you please subscribe, because that will help you see more videos. Here's what your facebook.com/gaming/streamer will look like once you've got into the program and you are able to then start streaming on as a level up video game creator. And this interface is likely to keep changing over time. Now, here are the basic parts of it. First, these are the eligible pages you've got on the upper left. So if you have more than one page, you can select it. I highly recommend focus on one page with just your name. If you make some personality or some mascot name or whatever, you may get tired of doing that. And you want to be able to do this over a long period of time. For example, if you make some specific game page name and then you stop playing that game, which you might not be able to imagine, you'd stop playing that game now, but in a year you get sick of that game and stop playing it, then you might need to make a whole new page and it might be hard to keep your following. Make a page with just your name because you can keep that forever. All the different games you stream, no matter what you do, you can keep that same page. On the lower left, we move into the alerts here. The alerts show you 3 or 4 different things depending on if you're a partner or not. You've got star alerts. This means when someone pays Facebook to buy stars and then Facebook agrees to then give you those stars. So your donations and stars, these come up on star alerts. Then you've got show supporter alerts. That's when you're a partner and someone subscribes monthly to get additional benefits. That's where you get the real money. If you want to make $100 a day every day on Facebook, becoming a partner, or whenever Facebook releases supporters to everyone that's in Level Up, the supporter alerts, those are you, if it's like Twitch, make your real money. Share alerts and clip alerts are absolutely critical also. You want these and the star alerts and supporter alerts, you want these to pop up in real time on your stream as soon as they happen, because it's a good way of getting other people to see it's possible and getting other people to want to participate. When you see someone share on stream and it pops up as a little alert, then that often triggers you off as the viewer to want to share also. And then you get a share train going where sometimes 100 people on my streams have shared straight in a row all at once. So these alerts are where they pop up. And it's very important to read all these out. You want to, every time someone shares, thank them for sharing, try and say their name, comment, ask, talk, and then you can see the stars come in. Always go crazy whenever someone drops those shares on you. So you got your alerts over here. Now you got the streamer stats and the star alerts over on this side. Now, I'm not allowed to show you the stars, so I'm hiding both of these. But what you get to see on these, you get to see how many stars you've gotten in the last stream, the last month, and all time. And then on the streamer stats, you can see how many comments, likes, shares, and the stars you've got on the last stream. Now, one of the most critical parts of this dashboard is the free stars tier. If you want to be able to make $100 a day, you need to be streaming to maximize these stars drops for free. What you get on these are free stars. This means viewers can simply watch and Facebook will give viewers stars to drop on you for free. That is the gold standard. That's exactly what you want, because this gets the star train going often, where someone sees stars drop in and someone else doesn't even realize they're for free or wants to drop more and then will pay to drop even more stars on you. This is also where you reality check, because for $100 a day, you need to at a minimum be doing the silver tier and then ideally get into that gold tier so you can get the absolute most star drops on your stream. I'm currently in the silver tier, which even that can be challenging for me with my own business full-time online, with a wife, 2 children at home, with going to my Alcoholics Anonymous meetings every day for an hour or 2, and then getting a good night's sleep every night, being there for my family. This, in order for me to do gold tier, this means I don't do almost anything else at all in my business. That means not time to film courses, blog posts, and pretty much nothing else except streaming on Facebook. Right now, before Black Ops 4 comes out, I've dropped down to the silver tier before it comes out because I want to have time to film these video courses and get this information out there before Black Ops 4 comes out, and then I'm streaming a whole bunch and up on gold tier. If you want to make partner with Facebook and get this subscriber unlock, Facebook seems to be saying with this silver and gold tier that, hey, this is how you show us. This is a priority. You stream a lot of hours, we'll make you a partner. I'd imagine Facebook generally looks at partners based on being in a silver or gold tier. If you can't at least do a silver tier, you probably don't have a good shot at making $100 a day. This is where you may need to cut things you don't like doing as much out of your life to make room for it. You've also got this poll option over here. This poll option can be really good. It puts a big pop-up on the right side. I've tried this and it helped me get one of my best streams out next time. Even though the stream itself didn't have that much engagement that time, the next stream got hundreds of shares, hundreds of viewers at once for almost the whole stream. I asked, what map do you want me to play next? On this poll, it popped up on the stream. I got a lot of responses on that. It helped me pick out the best maps to play, and then people came back for that. Finally, over here, you've got the Actions tab. The Actions tab gives you some things you can do. You can do an instant game. I haven't done this yet. The Discord notifications, I highly recommend having a Discord server and setting this up. You can also end your stream from there, which is good because sometimes it can be hard to find the end button otherwise. You can also do announcements if you want to request follows or request shares. These announcements can be a good way to do that. When you're live over here, you'll see the data about your stream. You'll see the title, the start time. It'll say currently live. It'll show you your bit rate. It'll show you for both your video and your audio. It'll give you a permalink to the video. And then finally, you've got this comments tab. And I'll show you how I set all of this up for maximum effect right here. This is your key gaming streamer dashboard. You want to get really friendly and comfortable with this dashboard because this dashboard has many of your tools to make a successful stream, and you'll need to know how to use each thing on this gaming streamer dashboard, and you'll want to keep this gaming streamer dashboard open while you're streaming so that you can make sure not to miss anything. Thank you for learning about the Facebook gaming streamer dashboard here with me. I hope this was helpful for you to see this.